This is why we use Domino.
My name's Scott Childers. I'm the production manager here for our Napa Valley operations. We're family owned in the Napa Valley since 1948. Sutter Home brand was a small family winery here in Napa like many others. Not long after we created White Zinfandel, it's just exploded. We really need to make sure that we over-deliver on quality to our customers. And to do that, we use the best equipment available. And in order to stay in front of the customer and be innovative, we're always experimenting with new packaging. We were one of the first to put wine in PET bottles. We currently put wine in bag-and-box, Tetra Pak. We even have some products in cans. People love it. The White Zinfandel, especially America's favorite. So it's typically a long process for us to decide to partner with an equipment manufacturer. Many times we'll visit other facilities, take a look at their equipment if we're interested. During that process, we had a choice of vendors to choose from, and Domino was our first choice. Our other lines that use primarily inkjet applications, they're fixed coaters, so they don't move from line to line. But the laser was specifically designed to move from line to line, and also facility to facility. We have another facility nearby where this laser could be moved to use there as well.
So this is the line control HMI, kind of the brain of the system. From here I can monitor all pieces of equipment on the body line. If I go to the labeler with the Domino laser coater, there's the Domino right now. It's green, it's running great.
So the Domino equipment, we have a lot of trust in. It's repeatable, we have zero downtime. Essentially, it's invisible in our operations, which is the best thing that we can say about laser coating equipment. We're lucky. We get to purchase equipment from the top manufacturers in the packaging industry. We also like to purchase equipment from people that we like doing business with. And Domino is a group that we like doing business with. They support our operations, which are at times 24/7, and haven't failed us yet. In the wine industry, it's relatively open in terms of sharing information about equipment. We've hosted many other wineries specifically to come in and look at our Domino equipment, and I know that everybody's come away very impressed. You know, if we had to do this all over again, I would have just done it sooner.
This is Jim Reed at Sutter Home Winery in Lodi, California. Thanks, Domino.